Mohan.
Yeah. Thank you, President Manoj. It's my great pleasure to introduce our good friend, Rotarian Arun Bhargav. When I say our good friend, because Arun is practically known to everyone in Rotary Club of Bombay West. Arun is MSc in physics, and after that he has done post-graduation courses in marketing, export, and event management. He has also studied archaeology. He is technical director of Galaxy Industrial Corporation, which is a leading packaging company. Arun has expertise in designing complex packaging system, and all German companies, when they are looking for complex systems, Arun is one of their advisors. Arun has expertise in chocolate design, especially related to home chocolate making. His favorite hobby is photography, on which he is going to speak today. His wife Seema has home boutique for dress materials. His son Ankur is robotics engineer, and daughter Saloni is patisserie chef in Sydney. Arun has handled practically all positions in the district. He has been assistant governor, assistant trainer, district secretary, governor's principal aide, and in the recent past, our association with Arun came very strongly in the year 2016-17, when past President Aslam was in chair, and along with Ashok Devra, when he headed highly successful diabetes project in the district during that year. I am currently constantly in touch with Arun in my role as assistant trainer in the group, because Arun is chief training facilitator for the current year 2020-21. With this introduction, I hand over to Arun Bhargava. Arun, welcome to our club, and we are looking forward to your session. Over to you, Arun.
Thank you, Mohanji. Am I audible?
Yes, Arun, you can go ahead.
Yeah, thank you very much, everyone. Good evening. And in fact, as Mohanji said, this is, I feel homecoming when I come to this club, because of so many people I had worked with, and I know them, including, I don't know whether they are here today or not, because I cannot flick onto the pages, but I know Sajjanji, definitely, of course, he is our Bhisham Pitamaha. Ashok Devraji, because I was his assistant governor and we worked together, and at that time, Harminder was a club secretary, so we had pleasure of working together at that time. Anand Gupta ji, Shirish Rege, Aslam, Arvind Bhai, Rajendra Ruia, who is the peace man of the district, known very well. Hima, who has been communicating with me lately. Dr. Tushar and IPP Samapti Ben. So it's like a homecoming here. And when I am talking to you about the subject of mobile photography and fun with that, it's more of a talk than any talking like a family or talking in the home. And I am talking to you in that without any technicalities or without any technical jargon about camera or mobile phone or nothing like that. It's a fun. When you have a mobile camera, usually we use it for two things. One is primary role for which the camera has been made to talk to people. That was the primary role when initially it was introduced somewhere late in 70s or early 80s. And as the time evolved, the camera also evolved. And nowadays, when a company launches a mobile phone, actually they don't sell mobile phone, or they don't launch a mobile phone, they launch rather a camera. Instead of telling the features of the mobile phone, they all in the bold keep telling you about how good the camera is. So effectively, we are all buying cameras all the time. So what we have is an equipment which is partly used for talking, but majorly used for the photography. Now, whether irrespective of somebody's age, whether you are a 22-year-old or whether you are a 3-year-old baby, or whether you are a 90-year-old or 95-year-old person, somehow or someday you really use the camera which is there in the mobile phone. All of us are using our social media very effectively. We use social media, WhatsApp, social media, Facebook, and all other social media which are there. And for that, we share our memories which are there, with day-to-day thing which we share with to them. Somebody has cooked a new dish and you want to share it, you share it with your children. Your children might be staying in America, or your children might be staying in a Bangalore. So mama has cooked this, and children have, they will send you and we will send them. We use it so frequently. Nowadays, the things have changed more during the pandemic time. My 2-year-old granddaughter has been at home. She was attending some preschool or something where they don't teach anything, they just made them play. But she has not been going there for a long time. So I think about 2 weeks back or something, school decided to talk to them on the WhatsApp or the Zoom or things like that. So for that, they are on the line. So they are using mobile phone again, and they are using camera again. So the camera on the mobile has become a way of our life. But apart from taking the pictures for our daily small things, like we are इधर घूमने गए तो चलो एक फोटो निकाल लिया, अच्छा सीन है उधर, कहीं पे 4-5 दोस्त मिले तो ग्रुप का फोटो निकाल लिया, ये हो गया घर के अंदर. कोई बर्थडे है तो घर में फोटो निकाल लिया, वेडिंग है घर में फोटो निकाल लिया. तो उसके अलावा देयर आर सो मेनी अदर uses of a camera that we sometimes use, but sometimes we forget. And I have seen, while talking to people, many of the people have not realized, though they know, but they have not realized that how useful the camera can be in home and how useful a camera can be when you are outdoor or sitting somewhere. So I will show you some small examples. Now, on screen, you can see a Dawai ki strip. Everyone has a Dawai ki strip, and I am telling you, including me, everyone has a trouble in reading what is written onto that. Uske content, yesterday I wanted to see the content of a medicine. It was written so fine, and it was on the refractive surface that I could not read what is written onto that. So your mobile camera has a very big role in this, that using the mobile camera, you can enlarge or magnify or zoom. You can take a picture and zoom that picture to see what is written onto a medical strip. Or you have a book with a very fine print, you can read what is written onto that. This is a very useful thing which you can use on a daily basis. Another thing, we have 2 eyes, so which are there with us, but there are so many places which your eyes cannot see sometime, and especially with the people of my age. Torab, you are young, you can see everywhere, but there are so many people like me who cannot see. I will do examples. Can you see your nose? No. Can you see your ear? No. Can you see top of your head? No. पलंग के नीचे कुछ घुस गया, हाँ कैसे देखेंगे उसको? You cannot see. कबाट के ऊपर कुछ सामान रखा है, क्या रखा है मालूम नहीं है, देखने के लिए चढ़ नहीं सकते, झुक नहीं सकते. In all these circumstances, our mobile phone comes very handy. We can use it. So when something is kept on top of something where you cannot climb and see, उधर हाथ ऊपर करके we can take a picture and see कि क्या है. I will give you my own very example. When I have a locker in a bank, and the bank has been very kind enough to give me the lowermost locker, which is touching the floor. 15-20 years back, I could sit, squat and see what is there, but now I cannot squat and see. But sometime I have to go once in a year, sometime to take out something or keep something. Now I don't know what is there inside. I forget. So I do 2 things. One is that when I keep something, I take a picture. So next time I will see the picture to remember कि उसमें मैंने क्या रखा था. And next time when I go, I forget कि उसके अंदर मैंने कहाँ क्या रखा है. So I take a picture because I cannot bend down. I take a picture to see कि अच्छा मेरे locker में क्या रखा है. Small thing, but a lot of people have to use this small technique or the facility in the mobile phone. Another thing, as I said, on your head, you want to share a picture of your head, or you want to see सिर पे कुछ लग गया, कुछ हो गया, घर में कोई है नहीं, देखना है, कांच में मिरर के अंदर दिखता नहीं है. What is the best way? Raise your head, take a picture from top of your head, you can see that. सो स्मॉल थिंग, आंख के अंदर कोई कचरा चला गया, अब मैं चश्मा भी लगाता हूँ, मिरर में देखता हूँ तो चश्मे के थ्रू दिखता नहीं है, निकालूंगा तो फिर कुछ दिखता नहीं है. What to do? So difficult it is. So I can take a picture of my own eye and then put my specs and see. I can only enlarge, I can zoom it to see what is there. But when you take a picture of your eye or with your mouth or whether your head, remember there are dangers and risks. What are the risks? मैं आपको बाद में बताता हूँ. मेरे सिर की आपने ये जो फोटो है, ये मेरे सिर की फोटो है, और जब मैंने फोटो ली तो मैंने गड़बड़ कर दी. क्या कर दी मैं आपको बाद में बताता हूँ. एक और यूज है उसका. Nowadays to consult a doctor is a problem. There is a problem. हाथ में चोट लग गई है, आंख में कुछ हो गया है, फुंसी हो गई है, 1000 चीजें होती हैं. ब्लड प्रेशर कितना है, डॉक्टर पूछेगा कितना है, तो मालूम नहीं है. व्हाट इज द बेस्ट वे? टेक अ पिक्चर, सेंड टू डॉक्टर. The left hand side you see a picture with a lady with a red eye. That's my wife. कुछ 6-7 महीने पहले आंख में लाल लाल हो गया. क्या करूं समझ में नहीं आया. रात को 10-11 बज गए, कोई डॉक्टर तो अवेलेबल नहीं है. सो मैंने बोला एक रास्ता है, एक फोटो खींची और रोटरी में हमारे पास 2-3 आंख के डॉक्टर तो हैं, उनको रात को व्हाट्सएप पे भेजा और पूछा कि अरे सीमा के आंख में ऐसा हो गया, ये क्या है, कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है. Both the doctors took I think 3-4 or maybe 5 minutes and came with the solution और give advice कि ये कुछ नहीं है, ये रेगुलर है, ऐसा होता है, 4 दिन में ठीक हो जाएगा वगैरह वगैरह. ज्यादा चिंता होगी तो ये ड्रॉप डाल लेना. So easy it is. You have some problem, take a picture of your blood pressure equipment and tell. See क्या होता है कि you can, डॉक्टर पूछेगा कितना प्रेशर है, अगर आपको मालूम है कि ऊपर नीचे कितना है तो बता दिया. मेरे जैसा अनाड़ी होगा तो उसको बोलेगा भाई मुझे मालूम नहीं है, यहाँ पे कुछ लिखा है तुम खुद देख लो. दिस इज इजी एंड सेफ. ये पिक्चर आप देखिए, लेफ्ट वाली पिक्चर मैंने आपको पहले बताई थी और राइट वाली पिक्चर वो है जो मैं दिखाना नहीं चाहता. मेरे बाल इतने सफेद नहीं है मगर वो फोटो में आ गए हैं. सो व्हेन यू टेक ए पिक्चर, राइट वाली जो फोटो है उसमें मैंने फ्लैश यूज किया और लेफ्ट वाली में फ्लैश यूज नहीं किया. सो व्हेन यू टेक ए पिक्चर ऑफ योर ओन बॉडी, रिमेंबर देयर माइट बी समथिंग यू डोंट वांट टू शो टू पीपल. आई ऑल्सो वांटेड टू शो माई टंग टू पीपल. आ करके फोटो निकालेंगे बिकॉज आपके जीभ में कुछ हो गया, दांत में कुछ हो गया, यू वांट टू सेंड इट टू योर डॉक्टर. मगर वो मैंने फोटो निकाला तो मेरे दांत थोड़े पीले पीले हैं. आई डोंट वांट टू शो इट टू समबडी. So remember that when you take a picture of your own self, it may not be a good idea to share it with everyone. Now, और क्या काम आ सकता है आपका मोबाइल कैमरा? 50 डॉक्यूमेंट होते हैं जो आप साइन करते हैं. साइन किया, फाइल करके कहीं रख दिया. अभी 8 महीने, साल, 2 साल बाद में वो फाइल चाहिए, वो पेपर चाहिए, वो कहाँ रखा है याद नहीं आता है. रखा संभाल के है, ढूंढेंगे तो मिल जाएगा. आई फाउंड अ वेरी इजियर वे, उसकी फोटो निकाल के रख लो. फोटो है मेरे पास. बीच वाली जो फोटो आप देख रहे हैं, ये एक घर में एसी लिया था, घर में वॉशिंग मशीन आता है, घर में कुछ भी मशीन आता है, उसके डब्बे का लेबल का मैं फोटो निकालता हूँ. क्यों? उसके ऊपर उसका मॉडल नंबर, उसका डेट ऑफ डिलीवरी और इनवॉइस नंबर लिखा है. साल भर 2 साल बाद वो अगर खराब होएगा, रिपेयरिंग के लिए उसको फोन करूंगा तो पहले वो वही पूछेगा कब लिया था, मशीन का मॉडल नंबर क्या है. अभी किसको याद रहता है? उसका बिल है आपने कहाँ रखा, कहाँ मालूम चलता नहीं कहाँ पर है. सो स्मॉल थिंग्स लाइक दिस, बट दे आर वेरी हैंडी यूज ऑफ अवर मोबाइल कैमरा. सबसे राइट में आप देख रहे हैं, दीज आर अकबर कॉपर कॉइन्स which a collector keeps. That collector is now 97-year-old. He has got a huge, India's best collection of Akbar copper coins. Well, every time he buys a new coin of Akbar or Shahjahan or Jahangir, he can read Urdu and all that. He will decipher what is there. But sometimes he want to take advice from a person who is a curator of Indian Mughal coins in British Museum. He's a Maharashtrian guy from Dadar, but over there, very expert fellow. So what the only way that he has to take a picture and send it to Shailendra Bhandari. Shailendra Bhandari and they will talk to each other ki kya hai, kaisa hai. But without seeing the picture, Shailendra will not know exactly what he is talking about. So a person sitting in Dadar and a person sitting into the British Museum can communicate so easily because the old man has got a camera which he can take a picture and send it to him. Very handy. Now, we have a lot of pictures we take of our food and our children, our achievements. all these are, all of us are regularly using for our mobile camera for that. Another thing our mobile camera can be used very, very effectively is to note down any disaster or accident or something. On the left hand side is some fire somewhere. It's of no use. That picture is of no use. It's of just take ले लिया, अच्छा लगा, सबको share कर दिया. But remember, a picture you take which may be no use today, one picture in 1,000 or one picture in 10,000 can be extremely useful for something. The picture you see on the right hand side is an accident on Bombay Pune Expressway. This is again no use. ऐसा ही है, हो गया, मेरे collection में था, ले लिया, खत्म हो गया. But I took one picture, I think about 10 years back on Mumbai Ahmedabad highway. ऐसे जैसे ये गाड़ी पलटी है, एक गाड़ी पलट दी, बहुत लोग आ गए, उसको मदद करी, उसको उठाया, लकीली कोई हर्ट नहीं हुआ, गाड़ी पूरी टूट टाट गई. वो फोटो मैंने ले ली, जैसे ये ली थी, मैं भी घर चला गया, सब अपने घर चले गए. जैसा आज हम प्रोग्राम में बात कर रहे हैं, उस उतने साल पहले ऐसे ही एक प्रोग्राम में आई वाज टॉकिंग एंड दैट पिक्चर वाज शोन ओवर देयर. That after that program was there, 3 weeks from that, a friend of mine who was attending that meeting called me and he told me something. He says कि अरुण, वो पिक्चर जो आपने बताया था, वो पिक्चर हमारे बड़ा काम आ गया. तो मैंने बोला, आपके काम कैसे आ गया? बोले कि हमारे पास इंश्योरेंस का क्लेम आया था उस कार का. You see, उस कार का इंश्योरेंस क्लेम आया and they refused that claim on the basis of that photograph. Why? Because the driver of that car at that moment was a boy who was not adult and he did not have a license. And he was seen in that picture sitting in the driving seat. So the claim was refused. What I'm saying, that you take pictures and forget them. You never know something can be useful and it's a hobby. फोटो ले लिया, अपने दोस्तों को बता दिया, अपने घर में बता दिया, बात खत्म हो गया. But it's a valid use of a mobile camera. Another thing is that if you develop a hobby of taking pictures with your mobile camera, then you will never get bored in your life. Never ever. आप स्टेशन पे बैठे हैं, एयरपोर्ट पे बैठे हैं, प्लेन की वेट कर रहे हैं, ट्रेन की वेट कर रहे हैं, आपके साथ कोई नहीं, आप अकेले हैं, प्लेन 2 घंटे लेट हो गया, आई कैन टेल यू 2 घंटे 3 घंटे आप आराम से पास कर सकते हैं, आपको कोई टेंशन ही नहीं है. आप किसी रोटरी की मीटिंग में बैठे हैं और मेरे जैसा कोई बड़ा बोर करने वाला स्पीकर आ गया, पीछे बैठे बैठे आप अपने मोबाइल से बड़े आराम से यूज कर सकते हैं. इट्स अ वंडरफुल हॉबी, इट्स अ वंडरफुल टूल. आई विल शो यू सम पिक्चर्स. It's a picture. My daughter had to undergo an eye, some kind of a correction, something. So I went to Dr. Padamshri, Dr. K.K. Mehta's hospital in Kolaba. He is a past president of Mumbai South. Many of you know him. So when he was taking my daughter inside the operation theater, I asked him, Doctor, can I accompany you in the OT? He said, yes, come. मेरे को दे दिया, एक gown वॉन पहना दिया. And inside the theater, I found the place where I had no role but to stand in a corner, but I had my camera. And I took so many pictures, including this, which is a close-up of this process that he was doing that. And in the end of the my presentation, I will talk about how you earn money. This small picture, which I took standing there doing nothing, gave me $200. How much? $200. Somebody bought it for $200. Everything has a value. Now you go anywhere, you have seen, many of you must have seen this view, and many of you must have been on the venue from where it was taken. It's one of the Rotary Club's meeting venue. You are standing there doing nothing, fellowship chalu hai, you take a picture. It's a nice picture. You can enlarge, zoom it and see कि कौन सी building क्या है, कौन सी building के पीछे क्या है. It's exploration. And if you have a hobby, if you like to do this, it's always fantastic. This is again a picture. It looks very nice, neat and clean building. Architecture is very nice. That grill is so beautiful. And I can tell you, so many of Rotarians, rather 100% Rotarians have been onto this venue. Do you remember this? The club. It's the club. But I have never noticed the one fine day, there was nobody. I think I reached there earlier than the meeting time. Nobody had come and I had nothing to do. So what to do? I just looked here and there and I found, oh, ये देखने में बड़ा सुंदर लग रहा है. Why not I take a picture of it? So this takes you a very good thing. Again, small thing. It's a moth. It's a moth. The size of this is half of the nail of my small finger. It's so small. Now, one fine day, it was on the wall, and as usual, I was just about to shoo it away. When just I was to shoo it away, I thought कि ये है क्या, मुझे दिख नहीं रहा है, इतना छोटा दिख नहीं रहा है. So I thought कि let me take a picture of this and see कि ये क्या है. So this is a picture I took from my mobile camera, and when I saw this, I was amazed. इतना छोटा कीड़ा में कितने रंग हैं, कितने डायमेंशन हैं, उसकी बॉडी के ऊपर बाल हैं, तो वो खुद इतना छोटा है, तो उसके बाल कितने छोटे होंगे. When you go, and then I went to the Google to search for this. And then when you go to Google, you search for it, you read about the insects, and you don't stop with one insect, you keep about more insects. So when you develop a hobby like this, it also helps you into interest where it increases your knowledge. Now, again, as I said, you never get bored and you can pass time very, very easily. You can understand this is a rotary meeting. And from the angle, you can understand that from where it is taken, it is definitely, I am not a what you call the official photographer to go on the stage and take picture. So that means I am sitting on the stage. So I am sitting on the dais and I look at everywhere. I say, यार बहुत अच्छी मीटिंग है, सब लोग कितने व्यवस्थित बैठे हैं, कितना अच्छा लग रहा है. As out of a habit, you take a picture. It looks so nice. And then comes the chief guest. Chief guest is governor. So governor goes and start giving his speech, and governor's speech is 35, 40, 45 minutes. So what do? I have heard his speech so many times because I am accompanying the governor in my role as whatever he has given me in that role so many times. So every time he gives the same speech, तो मुझे उसकी पूरी speech मालूम है, तो मैं क्या करूँ? I am just sitting idle. So I decided कि चलो देखें क्या है. On the table there was a bouquet, and when I look at the bouquet, I saw fantastic. I tried taking some pictures of the bouquet. थोड़ा दूर से, थोड़ा पास से, थोड़ा ये एंगल, थोड़ा वो एंगल, थोड़ा लाइट कम, थोड़ा लाइट ज्यादा. I found some picture were so beautiful, and the beautiful most amazing part is the audience will not know what I am doing. They will not understand that I am doing something which should not do or like that. I am not disturbing anybody. And when I am taking these pictures at the same time, I am also making my notes, whatever governor is saying, because governor has a habit of asking me anytime कि क्या बोलते हो अरुण. So you just can't say क्या कहा आपने. You can't do that. But if you have a camera and if you like photography, you will always discover things which are so beautiful. With mobile camera and in the Rotary meetings, with your friends group, college group, it's always so fun. And we know in Rotary, 2 persons have become very good friends of everyone, sought after Rotarians by everybody. One is the Rajesh from the Mumbai Queen City, and another was in this gentleman from the Sea Coast. Both are what are selfie photographers. Every single Rotary meeting, everyone will go to them because they are taking selfies and they will share those selfies, everyone. So having a mobile phone in our hand is always a fun. You can make faces. You can make faces with your children, with your parents, with your friends. So many. I mean, it's just fun to have it. And at the same time, with the mobile camera in your hand, you can be very sober. And when you are very sober, you can do very good creativity. You can be creative. You can do so many experiments with your mobile camera. And remember, you don't have to be a professional or a trained photographer to do all this. This small picture that you see over here can be used as a background for a book cover or a background for a website. So many hundreds of uses of these pictures can be there. And these are all amazing pictures. You don't need to be a PhD. This is just a very creative thing, having a doing nothing. जब भी आपके पास कोई काम नहीं है और आपका कैमरा आपके हाथ में है, you can be very, very, very creative. There have been some pictures I took out doing nothing, which I found were very educating to me, very revealing to me. What you see on your screen is inquisitiveness, curiosity. क्या है ये? On the left hand side is a fabric. Again a Rotary meeting. Installation was going on. ये टेबल के ऊपर कपड़ा था, बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा था. मैं बोला अरे वाह, इतनी अच्छी बुनाई है इसकी. Close-up में कैसा? When you zoom it, you find what is on the right hand side. Do you ever see the cloth like this? और एक एक स्ट्रैंड के अंदर हजारों स्ट्रैंड हैं. You understand this? If I am not from the textile industry, I am not from the fabric industry, when I look at it, I see the amazingness of the technology that they use for that industry. Again, here it is. I am sitting, doing nothing. ये मेरी जीन्स है, मेरे पतलून का कपड़ा है, कुछ दिख नहीं रहा. मैं बोला अरे ये धागा फट कैसे गया, टूट कैसे गया. फोटो निकालते हैं इसकी. थोड़ा जूम करके देखा, you see the weaving of this fabric. So amazing. You have the freedom to zoom anything and everything. Flower लेके zoom करते जाइए, you will see a different word altogether, which you have never seen. ये मौत को हमने देखा, enlarge करके देखा, it's a different word. Flower enlarge करिए, it's a different word. आपके किचन में गोभी का फूल है, केला है, fruits है, apple है, take anything and zoom it, and you will see a different word altogether. When you have a mobile phone and you like to take pictures, you love the nature. What you see is a Powai lake. And what you see the same Powai lake after half an hour. You see the changing colors of the lake. Stand there, have a look at that. It's just so beautiful. You love the nature. And then when you share these pictures with people, you love it. And with the mobile phone, you know, in my introduction, it was said that I am a chocolate designer. When I am chocolate designer, yes, I keep looking at here and left, right, ऊपर नीचे कहाँ क्या दिखता है, जो दिखेगा लगता है कि ओह ये बड़ा मजेदार है. What you see on the upper left corner is a floor. We had gone to some resort for a Rotary program. चलते चलते जमीन पे देखा ये टाइल दिखी. मैं बोला अरे बड़ी टेढ़ी मेढ़ी दिखी है, बड़ी अजीब दिख रही है, मगर बड़ी मजेदार दिखती है. So I took a picture. You see my shoes on the bottom. And when I came back, I thought, why can't we have a chocolate bar which looks like this? So we designed a chocolate bar. You can see exact replica of the design. And I tell you, this is one of the most popular designs, that bar you will see in the market. It happens. You take so many pictures on day in and day out. Some of the pictures, I am telling you, some of the pictures can change the world. I am not a very celebrated photographer. There have been pictures which have actually changed the world of the, I think the war in Cambodia, or you remember war in Afghanistan, Iraq. The photographers, those who took those pictures of a girl running with the burning clothes, or a girl completely naked, small girl running completely naked on the streets of Cambodia, those pictures have become world rage. They created some kind of a movement in the whole world. I'm not that. I'm a small guy. But I still take some pictures and use them for something which is useful. During 2015-16, I was the district secretary, and the GML was my baby. So all the cover pages of the GML, all 12 issues I designed, and our peak governor Subhash Kulkarni, he approved them. All the pictures you see in the for example, on the left hand side in the middle, you see a woman giving bath to children on the signal on a highway. We used it, that Rotary need to help it. On the right hand side, you see the inauguration of Sukhdha, or two girls stop, which are a school project. They are pictures taken by mobile. These two pictures that you will see now on the left and right, they are, left one is a beggar and the right one is a woman who came for a TB program, TB detection camp on that. You can see they are effective. When these books were published, I received, and we distributed them in many non-Rotarian people, and I used to receive the feedback from people that if this is what Rotary is doing, we would like to come and help. So pictures do help. Pictures are very useful. They change the things. The picture on the left-hand side is a man who is to sit on the pavement in Warsaw. After this was published, the magazine was shared with the police station, Warsaw police station. And they came and took him up and admitted this man, old man, into an old age home. You see, a small thing can help. So take pictures. You never know which picture will be useful where. Again, a left-hand side picture, a school project done by a Rotary. On the left-hand side, again, a picture of a baby into an incubator in a hospital, which was supported by the Rotary. This incubator was donated by Rotary. So these are so many pictures which are useful everywhere. Now coming to my last leg of my talk, एनी टाइम यू थिंक द टाइम इज अप एंड आई मस्ट, मनोज भाई अगर आपको लगे कि टाइम ज्यादा हो रहा है और बंद करना तो मुझे बोलेगा, एनी टाइम वी विल स्टॉप, बिकॉज घर की बात है, कोई रुकने में कोई हर्जा नहीं है. ओके, सो द लास्ट पॉइंट, how to earn money using your mobile pictures that you take on a day-to-day basis. Now, thing is that there are whole lot of people in the world who need pictures for something. Everybody needs a picture for something. हमारे पास स्कूल में बच्चे हैं, स्कूल के बच्चे को प्रोजेक्ट करने के लिए कहा जाता है कि ताजमहल के ऊपर करो, तो आपको ताजमहल की फोटो चाहिए. एक राइटर है वो पॉलीगैमी के ऊपर एक आर्टिकल लिखता है, तो उसको पॉलीगैमी के हिसाब से उसकी फोटोज चाहिए. एक आदमी है वो कोई शास्त्र के ऊपर कोई आर्टिकल लिखता है, तो उसके हिसाब से उसको धार्मिक पिक्चर चाहिए. हर तरह की फोटो चाहिए लोगों को, मगर वो मिलेगी कहाँ से? आपके पास इतना नहीं होता है. और दूसरी बात मैं बोलता हूँ, हमारे बहुत से लोगों के अंदर, स्पेशली हिंदुस्तान में और हमारे ये साउथ ईस्ट एशिया कंटिनेंट के अंदर, हमें ये एक हैबिट है कि अगर कोई चीज़ हमें चाहिए और कहीं से फ्री मिल जाती है तो हम उसको लेके यूज कर लेते हैं. जिसे जैसे कि क्या बोलते हैं, प्लेगियरिज्म जैसा लोग बात करते हैं. हमें अगर कोई प्रेजेंटेशन करना होगा, फोटो चाहिए, तो गूगल पे ढूंढ के फोटो निकाल लेते हैं और उसे यूज करते हैं. टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट विद एवरीवन एंड टू टेल द ट्रुथ, दिस इज रॉन्ग. Each photograph is a copyright or a work of somebody. You just cannot use them. Not all. Some pictures can be used, but not all. So the people, those who are there to create a content, they will need pictures. और वो पिक्चर्स कहाँ से लाएगा? दे गो टू एजेंसीज. अभी कुछ तरह की फोटो है जो कि यूज करते हैं, न्यूज़पेपर वाले हैं, उनको चाहिए. आज अमिताभ बच्चन के ऊपर एक आर्टिकल लिखना है. अभी देखिए टीवी के अंदर कभी कभी न्यूज कुछ आती है, फोटो कुछ और दिखाते हैं, यू सी दैट, और लिखा हुआ आता है फाइल फोटो. पुरानी फोटो है, दिखा आज रहे हैं, क्योंकि नई फोटो नहीं है उनके पास उस इवेंट की. तो आज अमिताभ बच्चन के लिए किसको कुछ हो गया, अखबार में न्यूज देनी है और फोटो अभी लेटेस्ट तो है नहीं, तो कहीं से पुरानी लाएगा और यूज करेगा. किसके पास होगी तो उससे ले लेगा, कोई यूज करेगा. ऐसे ही किसी को, कोई कंपनी है, कोई प्रोडक्ट बनाती है, कोई इंजीनियरिंग का प्रोडक्ट बनाता है, कोई प्लास्टिक का बनाता है, कोई टॉयज बनाता है. आपको कैटलॉग बनाने के लिए एक बच्चे की फोटो चाहिए टॉयज का कैटलॉग के लिए, और आपको फोटो चाहिए जो कि इतने साल का बच्चा होना चाहिए, या आपको फोटो चाहिए जो कि गोरा होना चाहिए, आपको फोटो चाहिए जो कि बच्चा काला होना चाहिए, आपको फोटो चाहिए जो कि रशियन होना चाहिए. कहाँ से मिलेगी आपको फोटो? अगर मैं एक प्रोडक्ट बनाता हूँ, एक थर्मस फ्लास्क बनाता हूँ जो मुझे अफ्रीका में बेचना है, तो मुझे काले रंग का एक औरत चाहिए जिसकी फोटो मुझे डालनी है. मुझे काले रंग की औरत की फोटो कहाँ मिलेगी? मैं आई कैन गो टू अ स्टूडियो एंड से कि अरे मुझे फोटो चाहिए. दिस पीपल के हो जाएगा, दे विल अरेंज फॉर अ काले रंग की अफ्रीकन निग्रो मॉडल, फोटो शूट करेगा, आपको 2 लाख का बिल पकड़ा देगा. आपके पास 2 लाख रुपए नहीं है, कहाँ से करेंगे? सो फॉर ऑल thousands of such applications, there are people, those who go to online agencies and look for them कि आपके पास वो फोटो है क्या. And the same picture that you will spend 2 lakh rupees for a photo shoot, you can get a similar picture from a ready-made stock, from stock agencies, for as low as $1 or as maximum as $5, $6, $10, $15. Very rare there are instances where the picture will cost you more than $100. बट दे आर वेरी, इवन $100 भी होगा तो भी इतना महंगा नहीं हो गया, 7-8 हजार रुपए के अंदर हो जाता है. बट मोस्ट पिक्चर्स आर देयर अवेलेबल टू यू फॉर $2, $3, $4. एंड दिस इज वेयर आई कम एज अ फोटोग्राफर वेरी हैंडी. So what do I do? All pictures that I take, I submit it to the agency, and the buyer comes to agency, and the buyer sees my picture and he likes it, so he downloads it. And every time the buyer downloads it or a user downloads it, the agency gets some money. And a part of that money that agency sells will give it to me as my royalty. So everyone who is sitting in this meeting right now, you have a potential of earning money, not going out of your house, be in the house. Take pictures in the house. और आप बोलेंगे घर में बैठ के क्या पिक्चर लेंगे? कोई बाहर माउंटेन की पिक्चर लेंगे, कोई झील की पिक्चर लेंगे, कोई ऐसे लेंगे तो अच्छी बात है. या हम बोलेंगे कि अच्छा बच्चों की फोटो लो, तो उसको पहले कपड़े पहनाओ, उसको तैयार करो, उसको नहीं नहीं नहीं, कुछ जरूरत नहीं है. इस दुनिया में, इस पब्लिकेशन की दुनिया में, इस मीडिया की दुनिया में, हर चीज जो जैसी है वैसे ही फोटो चाहिए. आई विल गिव यू सम एग्जांपल्स. all these pictures. Where are those pictures? Okay, so these are some of the agencies where you can. I work with one agency which is called dreamstime.com. I also work with iStockphoto. I work with two agencies. Work means I submit my work to them. When they approve it, they keep it in their stock, and when anybody goes and sees it, they download and I get my money. All of you, and by the way, to register them is a zero cost. It's a free registration. So even if you think कि एक खाली मजे के लिए रजिस्टर करते हैं, देखते हैं क्या होता है, कर दीजिए. वो आपसे ये नहीं बोलेगा कि आपको रजिस्टर करने के लिए $10 देना पड़ेगा. Nothing is free. All of these are free. So you register over there, and then you upload your photos, and then see what happens. Now, how buyers buy those pictures? This is one example. If I am making a medical say catalog or medical something, and I need a picture of say some tablet strips or capsules, or I need some picture of syringes, or I need a picture of a nurse putting an injection to a patient. So I will go to the website and I will give a keyword. I will give a keyword and I will say nurse, injection, patient. These three words the website will search and present onto the screen thousands of pictures you can choose from. On screen you see I have put a keyword Rotary Club, and the website threw all these pictures. These are the pictures probably of the Rotary Club meetings, Rotary Club projects, or Rotary Club speakers. I can see here Bush, President Bush, he might have addressed one of the meetings. So all the pictures. So I have also uploaded a few pictures of my Rotary meeting. I was there in the conference, so I took some nice pictures and I uploaded. And I don't know who, somebody downloaded some of the pictures. The royalty is very tiny. Somebody buys for $1, you get 30%. $0.3. कितना हो गया? 20 रुपया. आपको वो एक लेगा, आपको दिया 20 रुपया, तो बोले अरे 20 रुपए के लिए इतना मगजमारी क्या करता है यार? It's not money. I will tell you what it is. It's not about money. पूरे साल में कर करके $100 हो जाता है. I can give it $100 to my foundation program, no problem. जेब से नहीं गया, वहां से चला जाता है. So I told you who buys the stock photographs. Now imagine this. This is a picture of a boy throwing the brick. एक दंगा हो रहा था, and I was there, and वो सब झगड़ा बगड़ा चल रहा. I spotted this boy. उम्र होगा 10-11 साल का, उससे भी कम होगा, and he was throwing them. This picture can be used by media for so many places. Your Rajendra Ruya can use this picture so effectively because he is a peace guy. This picture can be very effective. He is making some kind of a brochure or something. A picture like this. This is my wife and daughter. घर में मुझे मालूम नहीं एक दिन क्या बोला, अरे यार एक दिन ऐसा चलो कर दो, जैसे कि माँ बेटी साथ में काम करते हैं ना, ऐसा मुझे एक फोटो दे दो. So they obliged me by giving this picture, and I thought कि ठीक है, हो गया. But I was surprised when I found this picture being selected by somebody and it was published in a magazine. You can see on the top right, this picture is there, and my wife and daughter, they were so happy to see themselves in a magazine. And on one side is my daughter and wife, on the left page is Neetu Singh and his daughter. So ये double उनके लिए बड़ी, अरे यार वो magazine में नीतू सिंह भी था और हम भी थे. It's a big thing for them. This is a fun for them. So you have article, commercial use, water, nature, aeroplane, all things. Wherever you go, park करने जाते हैं. ये बॉम्बे पुणे हाईवे है, सुरंग में से जा रहे हैं, वो कैमरा निकाला, बड़ा ब्लर करता था, सब हिल गया. मैं बोला अरे यार ये क्या होगा. But when I looked at it, I found it's very interesting. The blur is a category by itself. A lot of people pay for blur. Blur signifies motion. You have a cyclist who is with a motion, and you see blur is a motion. Cyclist with a sharp nose is static. So blur is a motion. So nothing is waste. घर में आपके चॉकलेट, टॉफी, टैबलेट, कैप्सूल कुछ तो पड़ा होगा. दवा खत्म होने के बाद में वो खाली स्ट्रिप पड़ी है जिसके अंदर एक भी गोली नहीं है. आई एम टेलिंग यू, इट्स यूजफुल. फेंकिए मत, फोटो निकाल लीजिए. सम फार्मा कंपनी में नीड दैट फोटो एम्प्टी स्ट्रिप. trade fairs, some celebrity. This is ambassador of American ambassador in some trade fair in American stall. So many you visit, you go to so many places. I found this this guy singing. ये क्या नाम है अपना? Very famous actor. He was singing at Gateway of India, and I found so interesting. So use it. This is the one I told you about, that where the insurance was refused. That's the picture. There's another picture which showed the boy sitting on the steering, which was used there. So this happens. So you can take pictures of any places, machines, families, broken things. अब ये घर में टूट गया. Now any company which is making, for example, adhesive, फेविकोल वाला है, कोई भी है, then it pictures like this. It's a theme. So घर में आपको कोई टूट गया तो कोई नुकसान नहीं है. अच्छा, अच्छी चीजों की जरूरत नहीं है कि वो समंदर होना चाहिए, आसमान होना चाहिए, तारे होना चाहिए. ये क्या है? They are dung. It's an animal dung. We were there out somewhere in the Vikramgarh or Wada, and in a school project, and I found that ये पूरा heap था. बोला ये क्या है यार, बड़ा गंदा लग रहा है. But then I took a picture out of just curiosity, and then I found that 4 people have so far purchased it. Who? I do not know. If you are a fertilizer company, if you are a manure company, if you are a research company who are working, you do not know. If you are working on an animal feed company, if you are working on the animal, आप गाय भैंस बेचते हैं, क्या करते हैं मुझे पता नहीं है. But remember, everything has a value. Every photo, every product has a value. The same place, वो सारे स्कूल के बच्चों अपने चप्पल निकाल के हॉल में चले गए. ये चप्पल पड़ी है. ये चप्पल आपको क्या लगता है? ये फोटो बड़ी बेकार है, मुझे पता है, इसमें कुछ इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. मगर कॉमर्शियल यूज कौन कर सकता है इसको? कोई बाटा कर सकता है, रिबूक कर सकता है, हम कर सकते हैं. ये इस चप्पल के अंदर छेक है. आज किसी प्रोजेक्ट में हम बच्चों को फुटवेयर बांटते हैं ना, कहाँ है? सो एवरी फोटो हैज अ यूज. क्रिएटिव फोटोग्राफी. हाथ में कैमरा लेके उसको पागल जैसे हिलाइए, कुछ ना कुछ बना देगा. क्या बनाएगा आपको पता नहीं है, पर कभी कभी कुछ जोरदार चीज बना देता है. सो बी क्रिएटिव. दिस इज द पिक्चर वी कैन यूज. सिविक इश्यूज, हंगर है, ओल्ड एज है, बीमारी है, बैगर्स है, चोरी है, चकारी है, कितना है. एक एक फोटो कितनी बात बोल देती है. और मजाक भी है. उधर बैठ के तो भीख में खाना खाती है, मगर पानी बिस्लरी पीती है. इट्स नॉट सीरियस, इट्स जस्ट फन. जब वन पर्सन टोल्ड मी, ये मैंने क्या कहा था, खड़े खड़े टाइम पास करने के लिए कुछ नहीं है तो अपने पैर की फोटो खींच ली. somebody, and I give it a title, executive standing or something like this, because I thought कि ये पैर लगता है कोई executive के हैं, but somebody can use it somewhere. So every photo has a use. These photos of the Govindas, unfortunately this year there are no Govindas. Each photo is a story in management and motivation. है या नहीं आप बताइए? कितनी प्लानिंग है, कितना ट्रूथ है, कितना ट्रस्ट है, एक दूसरे के ऊपर कितना ट्रस्ट है हर एक का, कितनी क्या बोलते हैं हम, वो ध्यान लगाते हैं जो उसको, कि उसका कितना ध्यान है उसका. एक एक फोटो बोलती है. कबाड़ा घर में होगा आपके भी कबाड़ा. यू नेवर नो. कहीं बाहर जाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, अपना घर को खंगालिए, कुछ ना कुछ फोटो निकल आएगा. सड़क, कोई कौवा है, कोई चील है, कोई चिड़िया है, कुछ सामान है, घर के बर्तन है. अच्छा, खाना खाने के बाद प्लेटें गंदी पड़ी है जिसके अंदर थोड़ी भाजी भाजी पीली पीली रंग की है. व्हाई नॉट? आफ्टर डिनर टेबल, इट मे बी अरेंज टेबल, इट मे बी अ मैसी टेबल. अरेंज टेबल का अलग यूज है, मैसी टेबल का अलग यूज है. So many places, so many useful, useless. So everything, every photograph, everywhere has some value or the other. So you can use it for things. So these are some of the pictures which are just there. Each of these pictures has its own look, blur, clean. And now, before I close down, something what I want to say is that mobile is not just an instrument. It is our friend and a medium to live happy, connected and content life. What you can do and how you can use it depends upon your own interest, The limit is limitless. Thank you.